Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn and understand exercise 3.1. This is from CBSE Std-7. Our first question is find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. So I have selected and I have noted down some 10 students over here. Noted down their heights over here, and these heights are in centimeter. Now we have to find out the range for this data. So what is the range? So the difference between the highest and lowest observation gives us an idea of the spread of observation. That means what are the two extremes of the observation? That will give us range. So highest observation minus lowest observation will give us range. So first here from this data we have to find out that what is a maximum height, or that also means that what is the highest observation, and what is a minimum height, that means what is the lowest observation among this data. So it is 129, this is the lowest I guess, and in this again one more observation is of 129. So 129 is the lowest observation. This much centimeter height is the lowest among this data. Now we are going to find out the maximum height and the highest observation. So 132, 137, 139. So this is the highest till now. 139, yes. So this observation is the highest among all, 139 centimeter. So let us find out the range for this data. That 139 minus 129, it will give us 10 centimeter range. So this is going to be the range. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment, and these are the marks. Now we have to answer the following 4 questions. Which number is the highest? Which number is the lowest? What is the range of data? And find the arithmetic mean. Now these are the numbers. From these numbers, from number 6, I have noted down that how many 6 marks are there in the class, how many 7 marks are there in the class. You can also add here one more column. You can also write the tally marks. So you can also make a table like this where you are noting down the marks over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and here you are going to write a tally mark that number 1 comes 1 time, number 2 comes 2 times, and so on. Like this you can also arrange the data, but here they have not specifically asked for the tally marking, so I have not added that column over here. Now let us find out how many times number 1 is appearing over here. So from here when we will start, number 1 is here. So whenever you are writing the data and whenever you are counting that how many times one specific number is coming, please put one marking just below the number, or you can scratch the number itself also, so that you will get to know that this number you have already counted. Let us look for the number 2. It's 1 time, 2 time. So number 2 is appearing 2 time over here. Number 3, 1. Okay. So number 3 is coming 1 time. Number 4, 1, 2, 3. So 4 number is appearing 4 times over here. Then number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is appearing 5 times here. Then number 6 is appearing 4 times here. Number 7 is appearing 2 times here. Number 8 is appearing 1 time here, and number 9 is appearing 1 time here. So we have seen all the data and we have arranged them in this order. Now we are going to write the first answer, that which number is the highest. So number 9 is the highest. Second, Which number is the lowest? So number 1 is the lowest. Then third, what is the range of the data? Now we have the highest observation also and we have the lowest observation also. So range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. So this will give us range. So 9 minus 1. So range of data is 8. Find the arithmetic mean. Now what is the meaning of arithmetic mean? So arithmetic mean we are going to find out like this. So we are going to write here, we are going to add here all these numbers. You have this many numbers and you have to add them. Then 2 and 2 times are there, then it will give us 4. 3 is 1 time, 4 is 3 times, so directly we are multiplying 4 with 3, so it will give us 12. 5 is 5 times, so it will give us 25. 6 is 4 times, so it will give us 24. 7 is 2 times, so 7 into 2 is 14. Then 8 and 9. We will just add this 4, 12, 25, 24 and 14. And when we will add them, we will get 100 over here. Of course, you can write all this observation, what all are here. You can add them here. And then you can write the sum of it, but this is the shorter method by which we will get the addition faster. Now number of observation. How many number of observations are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are 20 observation. So 20 fives are 100. So arithmetic mean is 5. So this is going to be our answer. Exercise 3.1, question number 3. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Now this is our formula, that mean equals to sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. Now first let us write the first 5 whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the first 5 whole numbers. Now we have to add them. So mean equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5 observations are there. So it will give us 10 divided by 5. So mean is going to be 2. Exercise 3.1, question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So these are 8 innings and he made all these runs. We have to find the mean score. So this is the formula for arithmetic mean, that sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. So here we are going to add all these runs, 58 plus 45. He made 0 run, but we are going to write here because that is one of our observation. Even though there are no runs, we are going to mark this as the run because that is also a observation. So 0 and then 100 divided by number of observations. How many observations are there? 8 observations are there and 0 also we are counting as one of the observation. So addition of all these numbers will give us 400 divided by 8. Now 8 5s are 40. So here 5 and then we are going to add 0 at the back because it is 400. So arithmetic mean of this observation is 50. Exercise 3.1, question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So these are the players. There are 3 players and they all played 4 games. And we have to answer following question based on this table. So first question is, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So we have to find out mean for player A. So these are the observation. So mean equal to, this is a formula that sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. So mean equal to 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by, he played 4 games, so I am going to write here 4 and it is going to give us, so it is 50 divided by 4. Now when we are dividing 50 with 4, we will get 12.5. When we are dividing 50 with 4, 4 ones are 4, we will get here 1. We are taking this 0 down. 4 twos are 8. We will get here 2. Keeping here 0. So 12.5, 20, and we will get here 0, 0. So that is how we are going to get 12.5 answer. Now second question. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? So let us see the readings for the C player, that game 1 8, game 2 11, and for game 3 did not play. So the player C was not there in game 3. So when we are finding out mean, we are going to divide it with 3 and not the 4 because he was not present in this game. So the total number of observation we are counting here is 3 and not the 4. So as an answer we are going to write here that player C was not played in one of the match. So we are going to divide the total points by 3 and not by 4. Question number 3. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? So again we are going to find out the mean. Mean equals to sum of all the observation. So it is going to be 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, and he played all the 4 games. Even though he scored 0 in one of the game, but he was there in the game. So we are going to count this as an observation and we are going to divide it with 4. So addition of this number will give us 6 plus 4 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 divided by 4 will give us 4.5. Let us understand this division. So 18 when we are going to divide with 4, it is 4 4s are 16. So we will get here 2. Again we are keeping it here 0, we are going to write 4.5 and we will get here 20. So 0, 0, and we got here 4.5 as this answer. Fourth question is, who is the best performer? Now to find out who is the best performer, we have to find out the arithmetic mean for player A, B and C, and whose mean is better, that person or that player is best performer. So we have player A's arithmetic mean, that is 12.5. We have player B's arithmetic mean, that is 4.5. Now let us find out arithmetic mean for player C. So here I am going to write A's mean. I am going to calculate C's mean, and that is going to be 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. Be 32 divided by 3. We will get here 10.666. So I am going to round up and I am going to write 10.67 or 10.667. Let us see the division. It is 32 divided by 3. So 32 divided by 3. First we are taking 3 ones are 3. So we will get here 0. Then we are taking 2 down. But 2 is lesser than 3, so we cannot divide. So that's why we are keeping here 0, because we cannot divide it. Now, after 2, we are going to keep here 0, and because of that, we are taking here decimal point. That decimal point, we are taking it here, and we are taking here 0. So it is 20. 3 6 are 18. So when we will subtract this, we will get 2. Again, we are keeping here 0, and we are dividing, we are taking here 18. So 3 6 are 18. When we will subtract this, we will get 2. Again, we are keeping here 0, and 3 6 are 18. So our answer here is 10.666. And how many times you will divide? You will get multiple times 6 here. So I am going to round off this number. So let us see the third position. At third position, 6 is there, which is higher than 5. So I am going to add here one number, and I am going to write 10.67, because at third place 6 is there, which is higher than 5. So I am going to add over here, and I am rounding off this answer as 10.67. So C's mean, we are getting it here is, so A's mean is better than all the 3 players. So who is the best performer here? So here I am going to write that player A performer. Exercise 3.1, question number 6. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. Range of the marks obtained. Mean marks obtained by the group. So here we have to find out first the highest and lowest marks obtained by the student. Now see here, what is the highest observation? It's 8 is there, 10th place 9 is there, and here at 10th place again 9 is there. And these two observations are we have which have 9 at 10th place. So from 90 and 95, 95 will be the highest marks. Now we are going to see what is the lowest observation. So 7 we have here, which is the lowest. Then 3 we have, which is lowest again. 4, 5, 8 and 7. I am checking 10th position. So 3 is the lowest count, and 39 will be our lowest observation. So highest marks are 95 and lowest marks are 39. Now second, range of the marks obtained. So what is the meaning of range? Range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. So our range is 56. Now third question, mean marks obtained by the group. So what is the formula for the mean? Mean equals to sum of all the observations divided by number of all observations. So here we are going to add all these observations, that 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus again 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 divided by how many number of observations do we have here? 10 observations are there. And when we will add all these numbers, 730. The addition of all these observations is 730 divided by 10. So we will get answer here 73. So 73 will be the mean for this observations. Exercise 3.1, question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. These are some of the observations and these are the data from the enrollment. That means this many students have enrolled into the school during particular academic year. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. So formula for the mean is sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. Here mean equals to, we will get, we have to add all these observation. So 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Now total how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 observations are there. So we are going to divide this total by 6. So we will get here 12,348 divided by 6. So let us divide this. So 12,348 we are going to divide with 6. So 6 2s are 12. We will get here 0. We are taking 3 down. But we cannot divide this 3 with 6 because it is smaller number. So here we are going to put 0 and again we are taking 4 down. It is 34. 6 6 are 36. So we can take here 5. 6 5s are 30. Then we will get here 4. Again we are going to take down this 8. So 6 8s are 48. So here we will get 0 and our answer here is 2058. So this is going to be our answer. Exercise 3.1, question number 8. The rainfall in mm. So this rainfall they have measured in millimeter. Mm means millimeter. In a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. So here we have certain data and we have to answer some of the questions based on this data. First question is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. What is the range? Range is highest observation minus lowest observation. So here we are going to find the highest observation. So this observation is highest, that is 20.5. So 20.5 minus, we are going to check now lowest observation. So 0.0 is going to be the lowest observation. When we will subtract this, we will get 20.5 mm because it's a rainfall. So we are going to maintain this unit. Second question is find the mean rainfall for the week. Now this is a formula for the mean, sum of all the observation divided by number of observations. Equals to, we are going to write all the observation here. All the 7 observation we are going to write here and divided by total number of observation. That means how many observations are there? For 7 days, 7 observations are there. So here we are going to write 7. Now when we will add all these numbers, we will get 41.3 divided by 7. So when we will divide this, 41.3 divided by 7, we will get here 7 6 are 42. So we cannot take that. So 7 5s are 35. If I am taking 35 here, I will get 6 and then I am taking this 3 down. So it is 63. And here decimal point is there. So same decimal point I am going to maintain here and I am going to write here 7 9s are 63. So 63 minus 63, we will get here 0. So our answer is 5.9. Our arithmetic mean for 7 days is 5.9 mm. Third question is on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. Our mean is 5.9 mm. So how many days the rainfall was lesser than this? So Monday, yes, it was less. Tuesday, no. Wednesday, yes, it was less. Thursday, it was less. Friday, no, it was very high. Saturday, yes, it was less. And Sunday also it was less. So total 5 observation we got where the rainfall was lesser than the mean rainfall. So out of 7 days, 5 days rainfall was less than mean rainfall. Exercise 3.1, question number 9. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. So we have here some data and based on that we have to answer some of the questions. We have to answer following question. First question is, what is the height of the tallest girl? So for that we have to look for highest observation. Let us see. Let us concentrate on tens position because all the data is starting from 100. So we are concentrating on tens position. Here it is 3, 5, 5 again. So I am marking 5 at tens position. So these two observation are having 5 at tens position, and within this two 151 is the highest observation. So the tallest girl has height 151 centimeter. What is the height of the shortest girl? Now we are going to look for the lowest observation. For that again we are going to check the tens position. 3, 5, 3, here 2 is there. Then yes, this is the only observation which has 2 at tens position. So 128 is the lowest observation. So 128 centimeter will be the height of shortest girl. What is the range of data? How we are going to find out the range? Range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. So both of this observation we have, that 151 minus 128. So we will get here 23 centimeter will be the range for this observations. Now what is the mean height of the girls? So for the mean we have to find out the arithmetic mean, and that we are going to find out with addition of all the observation divided by number of all the observations. So here we are going to add all the observation is 141 and divided by the number of observation we are going to write here. So how many observations are there? 10 girls. So 10 observations are there divided by 10. So we will get answer here 1414 divided by 10. So our answer will be 141.4 centimeter. So this 141.4 centimeter will be the mean for this observations. Now the last question is, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Mean height is 141 and we are going to find out who all girls are having more height than this mean height. So yes, this is smaller, this one is bigger, this is smaller, this is also smaller, this is bigger, then this is bigger, this is bigger, this is also bigger, and this is smaller by 0.4. So 4 girls are having more height compared to this mean height.